ni kadin rupna hi ka special investigation team hi bala clear do SP city hi kila yo kem yo bedan kti pan kani kala khamjuat hi ka case ban nakadaw ba nimlap hi ka motive kajit mu ban pyniap yo kena bamdan kanu adaptation ka ba andon kata sexual assault ne kandan kata ransom but hagaju por udi kena kun sweat hi te kata motive ka khamlong hi ban yo ke ka jit mu jung reo ban pyniap yo kena hagaju por ni wat ila bun ni ngathai hidan kituk atuk ni nai ni la ong ba kidan kibrio ki ba ni suba rei kachini kalong bangin dan ta evidence bangin la ban poi shidu shaki ya ban kem yaki te hadin katu kan ibnai kunta na andru bnai te ni la yo katu kan evidence joka forensic but kiwi evidence ru ki technical evidence ni la yo but hadin bingi la ka SIT kala beteng lang gini ki evidence but ni sa lab yo uni ubri bopniap hak tugas ni hi uni upna uni bri bopniap bu peteng bu Kennedy concept like ko ars nem ula pniap yo nakadaw ben tang ba uni upna saila kwa ban wanirap yo ban site ta top de uni ubri udan hi kata ka history ka ba khamlong violent na kham dan kham quickly te ula top ya ka shintur jumu bat hani kata ra yu ha top tap yu ha top hadu bandayap na tau sei kamet ta usabo shadin yang dia hadin baki la kalawan katumi bat wahian ju pratmi ju kata handa kasputi tap no yu to khna haka borni barupan untuk parat ni rumu ya kata kaskuti ban leg bos desa mopat de kata diga jinja koja hakata kasni haka pratre de hadin kata hi itu mesan hi jung tu khna hi la FIR ni la register marmar hi la form ka SIT but menta kasni hi yo kem yo ni but lesha in sa remand yo ni sa pan remand police remand yo khnang bangin yo ban tokit pnya shushu ban yo tokit ki jan ki khagnur company but ni reconstruct ya ka sequence chong ka crime te kamta hi bishpur
na hakapor uset tu brio uset khulum le juntur te yamler le kumno ne
yap hayeng ne yap
atop
long how did he die
long ubrio haka jingdom hi ura be tu khna set bat khumut bat chintur thap yu ha top ken ti kata kha top kabadan shiteng ti thap yu ta mo ukhna nga thai ula yap hi shwa ban thap yu ha top ba marsin thap yu ha top khim khi shwa kamet to say no ka kamet nang ta bat usabu shalish ka pomye
Bhavik, this for sure looks like a very difficult case to crack. It took so long. How would you rate difficulty wise?
See, difficulty number I've already said the motive is the first thing. Secondly, you could suspect the family, you could suspect neighbors. You don't have reason to for anybody, you know, because he's an orphan. Why would you kill a child who's 7 years? You know. You don't have, nobody has asked for ransom. There's no sexual assault on that child. The child is living with somebody else. He's not living as domestic help also, where people will, let's say, they child labor, you know, and he, because of the hardship, he must have died and all that. He didn't perform what they're doing. So, as he's not a domestic help also. So all these factors didn't actually sit in well where, you know, we could get the motive. So it became very difficult. Devansh, you would say anything?
So adding to what you said, one of the things that was difficult, like sir said, was he did not have parents. You know, we did not have that motive also. His parents had some rivalry or some enmity with someone else. So that angle was also ruled out. A child, he could not have harmed anybody. That angle was ruled out. So these, amongst the other reasons mentioned, was why this case took a little longer to solve. But eventually, we hopefully have reached the logical conclusion.
We had more than 10 to 12 suspects out here, and it took a long time to write off any of the suspects out here. That's why people would come, why haven't you got anything? But it took a long time, because unless I have evidence, I really cannot pinpoint. I cannot zero down on that. It's easy to pinpoint. Oh yes, this fellow might be. That fellow might be. He dresses like this, or he looks like that, or he behaves like that. But unless I have that evidence, policing now is based on scientific evidence. We will not just catch anybody like that. It has to be based on scientific evidence, and SIT has proven it today that as a team they have worked in different areas and pieced all that evidence to zero down on this criminal.